Okay, everyone, let's collect some data for this lab. Okay, we got our pennies all shined up and our zinc washers, zinc coated washers. Our little pieces of cardboard have been soaking in the acetic acid solution, vinegar, and copper sulfate. And we have our voltmeter ready to go. So we're going to put our pennies on here and construct all of our cells by putting a piece of the soaked cardboard onto each one of them. All right, next we'll add the washers to the top of each. All right, next then, we're ready to measure some voltages with the probes. All right, cell number 1, 0.916. All right, let's write that down. 0.916 volts. All right, let's measure the next one. 0.995. 0.995. Third one. 0.915. Okay, next one. 0.915. Point 987. And the last one. 0.979. The next thing that we got to do is build the pile. So this is number 1, and we already got that voltage. So we're going to put this one on top of it and measure that voltage. 1.763. Now I'm going to probably have to switch to a different scale here. 1.7. All right, let's write that down now. 1.7. All right, that's the second one on the stack. .7. Now the first one we're just going to put 0.9. That's the same as the first row. We can write 0.916, I guess. All right. And then we'll add another one to the stack. I don't know which one was number 3. Doesn't really matter. And 2.3. 2.3. Add another one to the stack. 3.3. Fifth one. 4.1. 4.1. And the last one, number 6, to the stack. 5.0. 5.0. All right, there is our data for the individual cells and for the voltaic pile. All right, the next thing that we got to do is see if it can light an LED light. Okay, here is the LED that we're going to try to write. LED stands for light emitting diode. All right, we're going to put the positive terminal down here, and there we go. It lights the light. All right, now you may need to pause this to get a screenshot of that, and you can paste it into your report. Our next task is to make it run this calculator. Now this calculator runs on a fairly small voltage. I think this stack is going to end up being too much for the calculator. And I think what we'll have to do is reduce it to a couple of cells, and then I think it can work. Yep, there we go. So the calculator is running now, and I'm going to calculate. The calculation we need to do is 1.21 times 1985 equals 2401.85. 2401.85. All right, you can pause the video, take a screenshot of that, and then you can paste that into your report. All right, that is the whole of it. The rest of it is some calculations. We'll leave that for you.